Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to run a quick scan on your YOUCANIC scanner for the first time. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is connect your VCI adapter to the vehicle that you're trying to scan. The location of the OBD2 port will be different depending on the vehicle, so if you're not sure, you're going to want to check in your user manual or try and find the location of your OBD2 port online. The next step, once your VCI has been connected, is to go to Diagnostic and select the vehicle make that you will be scanning. So you can go to All and scroll through all available vehicle models, or you can search by region or through the search bar. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be using the demo because my VCI adapter is currently plugged into an OBD simulator and not an actual vehicle. So the next step is to go to Diagnosis and select Quick Scan, and the scanner will automatically start looking through your vehicle, reading fault codes, and generating this report. Once the report is complete, you can select these blue arrows to the right of your scanner screen and look through the different codes. As you can see, different codes have different statuses. Active codes are current issues in your car that need to be repaired before the code can be cleared. And history code are old codes that have been saved to your vehicle's engine control module, but are not currently an issue. So you can go ahead and save this report by hitting save, and it'll give you a couple of options. You can save in print, save in email, or just save. Okay, and once you've saved your report, you can go ahead and erase these fault codes to see which ones will come back. The fault codes that come back signal current issues that need to be addressed before the codes can be officially cleared. So you want to scan twice. As you can see, all faults are coming back on all of these different modules, and that's because of the simulator that I'm using. You can go ahead and press exit and press the back button 2 more times, and you're going to get a pop-up. This pop-up can be disabled in the settings. The next step is to go to Data Manager, and you're going to want to go to Report. And now you can see all of the different saved scans that you've completed. You can go through and look through all of the different fault codes, their status, and what they mean. And here you can also email it or print it out as a PDF. You have successfully performed a quick scan on your vehicle using your YOUCANIC scanner. If you run into any issues during this process, you can feel free to email us at support@youcanic.com. We are always happy to help.